The next major advancement in tech is right around the corner, and it's going to change the way we use phones and computers forever. It also may be the beginning of the end of the iPhone, and maybe even Apple itself. But before we get into that, we need to understand the last major advancement, ChatGPT. Technology like ChatGPT means computers now understand human language. This means computers can understand us, our intentions, and everything we've ever written about the world. Meditating on this alone is absolutely bonkers. But the real crazy thing is we've actually barely released this thing into the wild. Like, why are we talking to AI like it's a Facebook friend in 2007 through a chat window on the internet? This is actually where the next big thing comes in. Because 2024 is the year we start to see AI released from the confines of a chat window. It'll be put on our phones and computers, and it will be able to control them. It will watch everything we do on these devices, learn it, and then do it better and over 1,000 times faster. Going on vacation, just give it a destination and a budget, and it will go out, build an entire itinerary, and book everything for you. If you're working, it'll automate repetitive tasks, whether that's emails, managing projects, schedules, reports, whatever you do for work. The implications of this are truly profound, and you would think Apple, with the iPhone and Mac, are in a perfect position to lead the way into this new era. But I actually think they might fail. It's not because they're not trying. In fact, they're actually trying suspiciously hard. Tim Cook has promised groundbreaking AI features this year. They've acquired more AI startups than the competition, and they've even canceled their $10 billion car project to redirect resources to AI. Also, they've been publishing scientific research on the topic. But on the other hand, Siri has sucked for like a decade, and the company's giant ecosystem may be spreading them too thin. Plus, the very nature of AI goes against Apple's values of privacy and a controlled user experience. Apple's now talking to Google, a direct competitor, about licensing their AI model Gemini, which kind of makes it feel like Apple failed at making their own AI internally. And the worst news of all is the current king of AI, Sam Altman, is partnering with the man who was second in command to Steve Jobs, the legendary designer of the iPhone, iMac, and Apple Watch, Jony Ive. They're working on new devices built from the ground up with AI at the center, and at least 14 Apple employees have left to join them. And if they get it right, they could make the iPhone start to look like a BlackBerry. Now, all of this is still up in the air, but in June, Apple is going to announce the new iPhone and iOS 18. And that is going to be one of the most important events for Apple ever, because we will finally get an idea of how fast they're able to adapt to this new world-changing technology.